Hello guys, good evening. I'm quite bored. I don't know what to do. Currently it's 11 o'clock in the evening here in New Zealand, and I am waiting for my husband to come off from work, and he is in Singapore, so the time difference is 5 hours. It's the same as with the Philippines, so wala lang, antay lang ako. And with that said, I have decided that I will show you, kasi nga wala akong magawa, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga toiletries na na-prepare ng Commodore Hotel dito sa Christchurch. And ito siya guys. So first up is this one. It says Koha Spa, and it's a luxury shower cup. Next is the conditioner from the Bodies of Water. Ito din, shampoo. Ang cute na mga bote. Ng tube pala. It's, I think it's 20 ml tube. And next in line is the hand and body lotion. Ang cute din. I have not opened it up yet, so hindi ko alam kung mabango yung scent. Well, we'll see later on. Sabay-sabay nating buksan. And the next one is the hand and body wash. 20 ml din siya. So probably good for, I don't know, maybe less than 5 washes. And this is a vanity kit. Oh, interesting. I don't know what's inside. And another sanitary bag. I don't know, maybe some sort of plastic for us to put our sanitary wares. And this one is a cleansing soap. Actually, this comes in 2 boxes, but I have na-open ko na yung isa, and ginamit ko na siya for hand washing. So, quickly open natin isa-isa guys, tas amuyin natin kung mabango. So, yun lang sila lahat guys. So, na-unbox natin sila lahat very quickly, and trust me guys, ang babango ng scent. Yung isa parang very fruity scent, tapos yung merong isang parang butter. So, yun lang guys. Salamat sa pagsabay sa akin sa video na to, and see you again on my next video.